Yeah, g'day. Ernie Umbernickle here again. Well, I've got to come clean. Sheila and I spent days filming and putting together our new series, 50 plus tips and tricks and hacks for your caravan and tow vehicle. Well, yeah, it's not up to your standard. So, unfortunately for us, we've got to head back to Gobdobla. Yeah, well, I know what you're thinking. Yeah, woe is me. Anyway, what I'll do is I'll leave you here with a few tidbits to enjoy for now. Well, hopefully, that's going to be another good day. Let's talk jerry cans. Now, 20 litres. I like that colour combination anyway. Diesel has to be yellow. Petrol can be red. You cannot have petrol on the back of a caravan. You can have diesel. Now, you might think, oh, why do you have to have a jerry can? Well, the point is try going across the Nullarbor and paying $2.92, $2.95 a litre. So it's not necessarily about carrying fuel all over the place necessarily. It's about saving a few bucks as well. All right, let's get on with the next one. Okay, we're on with the second drawer. What I've got here is little boxes that I made on my 3D printer. Carry a whole load of stuff here as well, nuts and bolts, things like that. I've got contact cleaners, I've got WD-40, the obvious 100-mile-an-hour tape. Okay, some oil. How do you like this? This is just in case you run out of power. The old and the new. All right, so we'll go through some more. Stay tuned. Well, all right, guys, we'll catch you on the other side of Gobdobla. Ha! Yeah, it's another good day.